Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to auto-suspend or reactivate users by changing users' organizational unit using Exponatical Foresight. Manually suspending or reactivating users after organizational unit changes can be time-consuming and may lead to delays or security risks. That's where Foresight comes in. Exponatical Foresight automatically suspends users when they are moved into a designated suspension organizational unit and reactivates them when they are moved out. Let's dive in and see how it works. The template is designed with 2 rules to automate user account status management based on organizational unit changes. Rule 1. Suspend user by changing organizational unit. This rule automatically suspends a user when the user is moved into a designated suspension organizational unit. Rule 2. Reactivate user by changing organizational unit. This rule automatically reactivates a suspended user when the user is moved out of the designated suspension organizational unit. Rule 1. Suspend user by changing organizational unit. Sign into Exponatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Auto Suspend or Reactivate Users by changing user's organizational unit and click on it. Click Copy Rule 1. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Suspend User by changing OU will display. In the User's Organizational Unit Change screen, in the New Organizational Unit field, select the path of the organizational unit where users should be suspended. This is the destination organizational unit. For example, suspended users. Click Next. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Reactivate user by changing organizational unit. In the Templates page, click Copy Rule 2. In the User's Organizational Unit Change screen, in the Present Organizational Unit field, select the same organizational unit used for suspending users in Rule 1. Click Next. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Before starting the automation, go to Google Admin Console, then Users, then Username. Confirm that the user is currently active and not suspended. Now move the user into the organizational unit configured in Rule 1. Wait a few moments for the trigger to detect the organizational unit change. You'll receive a notification in the top right corner of Exponatical Foresight. Click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task Exponatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Return to Google Admin Console. Verify that the user from the specified organizational unit has been suspended by the automation. Verify user reactivation. In Google Admin Console, move the same user out of the suspension organizational unit. Wait a few moments for the trigger to detect the organizational unit change. You will receive another notification from Exponatical Foresight. Click View Log. In the Log Details page, review the rule history to confirm successful execution. Return to Google Admin Console and refresh the page. Verify that the user's account has been reactivated and access has been restored. That's it. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.